Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer SteamGuard authentication code from your previous smartphone to your new Huawei Nova 10 series of smartphones. And to do this, I downloaded Steam app on both of the devices. Here's my previous device and here's a Huawei that we're gonna transfer the code to. Now log into your account using the normal credentials that you log into. Now it should send the question for a login to your previous device. Let's approve it. If you don't see it, then you can enter the code instead from your SteamGuard. Now click on this shield in the middle, and here we want to receive our SteamGuard code, and let's send it. Let's actually go back and move Authenticator. And we should receive the message to the number that is registered for this account. It's right here, so 81529. Now verify the code. And here the authenticator is transferred to this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.